This new platform, it is a bonus tip which I'm going to be sharing with you today, which is going to help you to get paid more, to secure a lot of traffic, and to make extra amounts of money per using that. I'm going to be sharing with you today how you can make money online with this bonus tip, which is going to be revealed at the very end of the video, but as well with this other platform, which is going to help you to really get paid for doing affiliate marketing. Well, I'm sure that both of the platforms are very known to you and popular, and you don't really know how to make money with them, so that's why you will have to stay tuned till the very end of this video so you can start getting paid again and again online money per doing this kind of strategy and per doing affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be done by everyone, so you don't really need any previous experience or very really specific skills or special skills here, because what you're going to be doing and what you need is just the step-by-step tutorial, your attention, some internet connection, a device which you have to grab it right now so you can type and search for the things that I will be sharing, and after that to follow tips, every kind of step that I'm going to be choosing right now. Before going there, the very first step that you will have to follow is for sure to go to Pattern Personal Growth, to give a big thumb up to the video below, to subscribe to the channel, and for sure to push notifications on so you can get paid at any time that Pattern posts a new video or new proven strategy which is going to be helpful for everyone. Now, consider the fact that Google, it is used almost every day, or almost every minute per searching different thing. You know now how many traffic Google has got worldwide, and what you're going to be doing here today is that instead of Google, we'll be using another platform which is similar to that. It is called EntireWeb.com, and what is this platform? It is a search engine which is going to get offered to every one of you for free by just using it. What we're going to be doing here today with this platform, well, it's sharing it with others so you can get paid online. Now, I'm sure that most of you are asking, like, Peter, why is someone going to pay me online money for sharing their website? Well, it is because, guys, the owners of this business want to grow it more and want to make it popular as much as Google. So yeah, that's why they will pay you just for bringing people to sign up here or to click here so you can get paid more and they can get more popular. So yeah, it is similar to Google, and what you're going to be doing here is for sure like make money online. Search for that so you can see that it is similar to Google. So after that, just click into search options so you can see that they are offering you the articles and as well the images and videos and news. So yeah, even the structure, it is like similar to that. Yeah, you can see now the between of the articles, and once that you choose one of them, you can just open it. So again, you're gonna be seeing that it is very similar to Google. Now that you saw all this information, let's just get back to the platform and the name of it. It is called EntireWeb.com, and yeah, this is how it's going to function if you want to use it for something else. Now, in the three ribbons in the left corner of the page, you will find the menu, which is divided into home, free tools, advertising, which both of them have subcategories, affiliates, which is the one that we are interested in, and as well articles, privacy, and it is supported and connected to Facebook, Tweet, share to LinkedIn, Snapchat, email, and other platform, which it makes it 100% legit and secured. Now that you are here, click into affiliates so you can get directed right over here. Where affiliates, it's the one that we need to know how to do that, because it's going to pay us online money. It's going to pay you $20 for every click that you bring toward this platform. You will get paid for every visitor that you or for every visitor that will be different doing things into their platform. So someone who just sign ups because you send them your email, your link, they will just click into the platform for different action to do. They will search for something, for example, they will open an article, and you will get paid commissions for doing that. So yeah, there are going to be some other stuff like specific. You can get paid for every click. You will have the highest conversion rate thanks to this platform. Everyone can join because it's going to be working worldwide, and everyone it is invited to join to this platform. And as well, you will be able to get easy to start, because within minutes you will sign up and go to the to see, and you will be running up and have started to earn money from your traffic. You can scroll between of the other information. You can see some other like testimonials of how much this platform have given, and as well as some other information like how does it work, what do I mean to become an affiliate, and other information like that. Now that you are here, click into create an account so you can fill in your information there, and after that start getting paid per sharing or per giving this link to different people. You will have to fill in your personal information like first name, last name, for sure password and other stuff, and they are given to you some additional information which you can choose to complete them or not, and after that to share and to agree to their terms and conditions. Click into sign up so you can get directed into their main dashboard and start getting paid per searching different stuff into entireweb.com. Once that you are into their main page, and you will have to start giving like different or giving or sharing your link with different people. You will have to pay attention because you need that bonus step, which I'm going to be sharing with you now. I told you since in the beginning, this platform is going to maximize your earnings because it's going to bring to you a lot of traffic. It is called Hercules.com. So again, I'm repeating the name, and you can see that I'm going to highlight this. Hercules.com. This is a platform where it's going to give you powerful ad tools, which is going to help you to advertise different things daily and get paid per doing so. So yeah, you will start totally for free, and you can see that the current serving are more than thousands of members. And why you should choose this platform, it is because it is a trusted platform. It's going to give you email and web marketing, which is going to be for you 100% free. You will have 100% real traffic, powerful tools, and as well you will be able to earn 50% of the commission within 24 hours. So even for this platform, you can start be doing like affiliate marketing and get paid for doing so. The network, it is very good because all the stuff is going to help you. Now that you saw this information, you can for sure scroll between of them so you can get like to know more of the platform. But what are we interested in? It's to how to create this new account so you can get paid online. So as you may see, you already have to fill in your information like first name, last name, where you did heard about this platform, and other ones which you can choose to do or not because they're not mandatory. And after that, complete your captcha, create your new account so you can get directed into the main dashboard, which is going to be looking like this one right over here. For sure, you can join to different articles and post there your link, so as soon as people see that, they will just sign up into entireweb.com. After that, they will start like clicking and searching for different stuff there, and you will get paid not only 20 cent dollars but as well more and more if you follow the step-by-step tutorial. So for every click that someone might be doing there, you will get paid again. And that was all for today. If you like it, don't forget to stay tuned as always so you can get notified for other new ones.